Nani soy, nani J. I won't say I'm not paying any Gomoha. Let me welcome you aboard officially. Ya Kwaba.
I want to have you so.
Asante swear. Dibiabo call. I'm up for say. My friend would dream team.
Black Stars, please.
But you're my dream team, yeah, Black Stars. Black Stars, yes, sir. Also say dream team, yeah, Black Stars.
Some say Black Stars, maybe say Black Stars dream team.
Debbie. Black Stars, they have dream team. I'm no dream team. I'm a massa.
I say some here $5 million. Me say Beko.
$19.
$5 million, Walk up away. Say American film and the opposite alcohol. Say no, social intervention. In your $5 million,
okay, let's set the ball running. Let's set the ball running. Another. Now I am pinche. Any anopano cry any General Secretary to change come say oh, one more call the basi, and you saw minority clad in black and red. I just say it do maybe crown on person fossil a bogram na say masha for no so yes so munshe yenti akwaya say pinche but omutimi ma omukwan on the marshals and the jina hono and omonti ekwa wi ase no ye ma omukwan ma omunyina akoi na omotena ase no nkomodie no kowie sei afanya ma konsore kasai na or the appeal kese ema speaker take full responsibility of near course as a leader. Na yenti afenyo makin. Ni wia yetie honorable, right honorable Kings for Sumani Babin so ebra all lifted the suspension. Na yehwe near course also so Sam George emra womo jina tumu minority no so ma horo nsa or say it is your cross carry it 88. From the gang of 88. All right, TNT and someone a cause.
Today, I, on behalf of my caucus, would want to assure the public that such an action will not be seen in the public space again. Mr. Speaker, I take full responsibility as a leader on my side on all actions that took place. I will therefore conclude by inviting you, Mr. Speaker, to, in the circumstance and with assurances given, to consider a rescission of the decision you communicated to the House, as well as all consequential matters thereto. Mr. Speaker, without more, I shall thank you for hearing me and resume my seat. Thank you.
Okay. No, we are no Iraq Babin so after George Orin and all others, no. Ekoba said na I was on so tenejum na okasa. Yentie Iraq Babin.
Fallible. So I listened to the apology, and here it was repeated by the minority leader for and on behalf of the members of the caucus and supported by the majority leader. It's not only words. Before me, they demonstrated and assured me of their total support to me and the deputy speakers to ensure that we have an efficient and an effective functioning parliament in Ghana. So I am satisfied with not just the statement, but also their conduct. And I will proceed to lift the suspension of the 4 members of Parliament that I considered were involved in disorderly conduct which amounted to contempt. The rules are very clear, and I did refer to them and stated clearly that because we are in the transitional mood, we will not be able to put committees in place, including that of the Privileges and Immunities Committee. And the standing orders grant me the power and authority to do what I did. And clearly, the jurisprudence are very clear that when contempt is committed in facie curia, you don't proceed to set up another committee or court or whatever to investigate and submit a report.
Okay. Auntie. No, he's saying, oh, what is happening here? By reason of caucus, no, and the mana, a bass one. What is this? Anyway, give me a minute, please. Just give us a minute. Just give us a minute. Okay. I think we are good to go. Yeah, now Kasembi say he's admitting say
the committee named by suspending 4 MPs. One chair may be a committee and for more findings. Some maybe at the appropriate.
By his statement, no, he is saying say. Standing orders cinema and choir man because they are in transition. Committees are not formed.
Okay.
Now also to mean now Shema Adianen say until now that almost Ajiatumu, which means the 4 went before him. Or say they showed action. Ebe show remorse. And both majority and minority no so can't hope patch. And to almost fee say there shouldn't be any high-headedness again. As a main bill now, also cross now they penny near so to say, now we refer almost to the committee. Our committee is set up normal day. Almost going to one lifty, but on lifty sanctions say if the committee find them want to now a suchi bima.
Yes.
But now can they pay bano and what 2 1.
And they say no say Parliament forming committees in area.
Overcome privileges.
To suspend.
The speaker's authority is when, in the course of proceedings at the plenary, a member is deemed to be misbehaving.
Okay.
Now our order, marshal no. Anybody PR proceedings are in the course of the day. On to me, but the member can come to Parliament.
To send your dear, is this a year?
Every year. Oh, and no, I can say. Obet me out dam up you free ho. Now the day proceedings no. But the next day you will come. You are immune after the next day proceedings. Uba speaker to me in Casa LPA. It is that was
okay.
And I say, your first offender, you are cautioned. You're cautioned now you have a 4-day suspension. 4 days no went here or 7.
Okay.
2 weeks they felt that it was arbitrary. It was beyond a but now I was also instilling authority.
Yes.
To some extent, and Miramu dear, Obeka say 1 year, but or the impend in experience on the mature because Obi desire not on prayer easy or Parliament.
Yes.
The Fiamagon easy.
Yes.
Tampuli Mudi, Befan say, and yeah, Ade Akye Abia. But at least
senior members of the house there, but
yes. Now acquire a move in. Sam George, minorities who on patcho. No more approval, no. Almost change. Amfa. And until you say on your day. Now, almost Casa or Hono. Minim Samu, former lands minister, the voice now, the video now, in the person of Abu Jinapo.
Sam George,
was this? Aha, yenti.
Popularly sometimes referred to as Jata. The Honorable Sam George himself, who is popularly sometimes referred to as Jata. That's because the Jata in Lion today, he himself is now in the pocket of his wife. On his own admission. Mr. Speaker, what's at it? That is what Mr. Speaker, that is what the kind of politics we do in opposition can do to us. Mr. Speaker, that is what the kind of politics we do in opposition can do to us. I mean, once at it, the Honorable Sam George, as an elder of the Perez Chapel, not a member, as an elder of the Perez Chapel, and as somebody who espouses his Christian values, should also be mindful of what he watches when he's in Parliament. He should be mindful of that as well.
Okay. So at the end of the day, no more per se, Honorable Sam George, on your day, on Pacho. If you move to the post channel, I feel do maybe now say be my emre. But the offender marking car and they say almost 88 in there. Oma washi omo hands off Sam George. Majority no approve no. Ukuje to black hands so no omo approve omo. Yeah, I mean too. The happenings in Parliament.
Akota enra make asem bi say me my only worry say Parliament no yakwakoye another extension of MPP ni NDC or more entrenched positions on issues ewa bonten asem no tum say asem no ye fita ana say eye tuntum nenso bo MPP ni NDC baby e be favor no ye ho no mu tuntum baby e be favor no ye ho no mu fita or because ho no no e favor no ana e koma no the hen koma no so no okadeya onti ase ebina ye ya ba bedru ho no mu sesei akotana me ka asem bi ye no aso so say so we majority caucus in Parliament omo numbers no over 180 ni ade but omo nkrofo no in as much as omo a majority in Parliament no so we enra say ye dru baby na okujeto ye friend say Rashid Pelpo ene Mutala Mohammed mo omo eje omatum no akota so we ya na majority numbers no wo form as compared to MPP for 88 no.
So now we have Dr. Rashid Pelpo.
Yes.
MP for what?
Yes.
Ibrahim Mutala. Nanton.
Yes.
Samuel Nate George.
Yes.
Ningo Prempram. Kofi Adams. Wim. Joseph Bukari Nikwe.
Yes.
Saboba. Omon and Ra. Omuji. Now majority na just Sam George and Okuja talk to me. Yen check kakra ewo TV. Let's hear what actually transpired and what went on. Can we have the video quickly, please? Majority edges Sam George ni okuja to atumuno. Yeah, cause I want to one.
Akotati baby ade ne keka kona se still ano ye di MPP ni NDC sem e komra se ge fie mo no. Yes, MPP ni NDC na mode ekoye. But moko koduru Parliament ono mo a akonta o constituency ono ye obi a ye NDC ni ana opewasem say we MPP need but opewasem to abama ekoto abama adwomahama ema wo si na nemu omrase ge fie mo no mo enti sa asamba tomrase ge fie mo no mo na bi ono ne ye NDC ni oto abama wo MPP ni ma wo ko Parliament ti se bi emfa ne so bi ti se Francis Asenso Boakye obi ete asuofia na wo ye NDC ni na bi ohwede Francis Asenso Boakye be ye wa ya bo mama e bi a osisi omtimi kofie nsuo to nsuo anto obekɔ fie enti bi obeto aba Ediama Francis Asenso Boakye but obeto Mahama as president so ne sa assemble to ho na bi asem ne fa e bi health insurance ho se bi ye be no one time premium ana se bi ye kwoti sika no so kura ne ye de amayen na se bi a MPP for say ade no monkoto ntia so hu e ba sa na yakwa akohaje ebi ne enura no moje MPC ne ministers ya tumi akota se ne sitie bia no these guys ye ju omutumu a emo kokoye adwuma o de hwe obi te se Sam George communication minister ye che omayimu akota ne Yesu se ene oye call nipa ne gina won chen pa yes the mobile number you have dialed is not working utimi ye call na meni asante ye bo e kasa no na another call ababesi call na ye kasa na mu o
na apamu
na akati call no
na me de mi so kra ne say mafra asante ye bo
yes
menene kasa
e
ko wi a me fra asante ye bo o na me call no akate na me call na me mfra ye no na eno fra asante ye bo a ti asante ye bo a piki aminti o ba me ye call akwa asante ye bo a phone so no na I go through say call waiting.
Meanwhile so no onye call bia so.
Enti anano na me kasa ehu.
Yeah.
Ukoshia bema oni abotra ho.
Yes.
Wafra na yire ne kasa. Anano fiance bi ni di nkomo. Na call na kate no obefre. Na ye call waiting na. Obeka se chese me ma frɛ wa me ni udi nkomo no. Wa kate me call a copy ko bi de. That's why me candidate bia madwene ma so ho.
And the best way to see MTN
because yaw fancy what friend wifey
me get jamia but to be see MTN
I want to facilitate the process
me get just the jamia I will be
what friend wifey na bia wo cast me here upon a line akate afi wo be friend back call waiting
yes
you cannot reach you call waiting you be angry
yes
say call bear and here check me the anti what cut me kwa copy go be you are not on the other side
yes
unless you make just who no asa from me who so nye call
yes
say be you say o
twa it's true
and your marital issues no
it's not a domestic or spousal issue
so be more things say where are the domestic and spousal there problem asma me kan o mo tie me dia me kan utimi frɛ obi e bia wo ye business bia 5 times wo frɛ ya na kati and from that day starting last year nobody has issued a statement to that effect saying there's a problem here or there and that is what is happening to us. Eti obi to say Sam George kwa oye babunu
yes
they tosu mienu Sam Nate George onko no onko boaye data board din wo Ghana
yes no na me be kan
asante
data board
yaw
eno ye de e bi
data Ghana is the most expensive country when it comes to data. Nigeria for obutumi unlimited data
yes
grow ni MTN for now Nigeria no na ye mu ya penny for no ko tra ho no mo na ye show ma frum ano wo rafi oslo wusu ye dede sa the time na data bo be ye den wo Ghana e dey no ye fa
in the end na ososo no o champion technological and digital niema meanwhile ososo no digital niema isoso no
ye data na ye
e na wo de aye so hu ejakunto bi ti se Honorable Sam George edu baby na MPP ginafa na NDC so eginafa yi Sam George adwuma wo kwakoye as communication minister no ebebo ye nyina ebebo MPP ni ebebo NDC ni se Sam George ko de na kwakosi form na wayire MTN ni Vodafone fo se krache mu data ne board den do montete so magana for yes unlimited data ni ade ade a mu ye bi ma Nigeria for mu ye bi ma ada
adama ko so mu to abakurati agufo ado ne MPP ni se o mo se alleged no mo se esla se 939 call you ntwem say you no kure say you no
so on be to re ya na call minim se twema na ye twema asante one key thing nie Sam George so nyai say okoka say omo kwa register simbio and pass over those I don't think so say the re-registration of SIM SIM card registration near my FM who say very introduce but just SIM no problem way
the problem is that they say much more register almost be 93 or 90-something%. And if people that switch the MTN office will be seen, they would not be normal salary. So what is the problem now?
Very good.
Data
so find a solution to that problem and calling all of us. Free registration.
So register Bima. Also more wow app. Wow utifi now. Now wow utifi register.
Asante who here?
That is my point.
Me MTN Abia just say a cheap asiana.
So
what is the problem?
The Ghana card data.
Data need board thing and a network accessibility.
Yes.
Say me to me your call it me na so ma me to me your call. I don't hear Ghana.
Ghana kitwe so your baby or hono uf e bia we say me free Kumasi akosunyan. Along kwai na
oh I know there ya bebre
utumi dru baby ti same fence na
network atiko
aha to fence network atiko
it's your setting your problems no your re-registration of SIM card me say Kumasi Claudia me akwai baby how do her
network ma
oh my own so no anopay me point ni hwe vet no ho mfaso pa na no pay discuss say minister na ko to na no nsema epia ba no
why the butani o ti so bi busa ni data boy
so these are some of the most important questions about boy yen timamufo no me yehu na afa be this chaos and for so be
political
I bet Imano Amakufibu, Minister of Finance, or can say Omoba, they are going to introduce water gas. Actually, in Suez one SN. For me, it's good. Yes. But how is it going to do it? Shall we call now River, or more water gas? Egypt, the same thing. I'm on the bone soon. Omo now police are almost in soon
24/7.
And maybe not because
a tourist because of Egyptian.
On my ECG. Mama say illegal connection all over the place. And then I want for my private person be. Nejuman say he's making sure say illegal connections no. And so better percent ABR on mine.
Oh no, chiwa percentage.
A percentage system.
And this is so bad.
Yeah, what chiwa the Baba
I'm of course boys no.
Tell
he's authorized by government or security.
Or security.
No, the police ni back.
On my these connections of Bayer no. And a beboa
yaw.
On my
one cromfo a chi na otimi kuntoka bi.
On my unim.
Cromfo a chi kejeti ono so so one penny. Because of why illegal thing. It is a nipa no cry ba wa usro.
On my
efie no a o ma illegal connection. Say fie no akesefo no akuta sa Asian dogs ni.
Say yeah ECG for. Omo the sa system way ba. Nipa no ni sika be based on commission. Hwe it is assume say mpanifo na bia wo ho na mpokra lead this illegal connections ni nyina. And is enye obi na dwuma ba be sa de o ya. Ebe boa because won say illegal connections manfo pisu like the muntua
no de no
and know how o man no regards to how yemen use of the power and to see enye obi a we say de man this private person yeni abre gidigidi eyi chem region bia woni pa o ye special kuma Asante ne Greater Accra nipa ngo bebrebe ebe bo ma sane ma we nyina so ate ye tuo man o man ECG ye ka che say just about 30 or 40% of the people and etua power that can be your man
eco waste
and there be omutua so omu use so omuntua titi apa na ye and ministers ikoko gina o man asa o mokae no dia na mi say ebe boa ya ma ehun say ministry ko betima ye ho adwuma Ayikopoku was making good points by and discuss it ko wie no entoko ekoso no it has overshadow all these things and no moye ma ye ntimi ehun ne ma ye pense ekoso ministry betima ndi wontimi ye Yinapo I started with this on ne pense private sector participation and was started almost 1 month over 2 committee. These are some of the things I see I discuss because power high any side data high but then and the aswafwe maminka we say MPP and as a mountain on my idea how my hair nipa o matimi pass so nipa 42 no so far best 40 that's o matimi aja tuntun bi na bi o mo so many issue but I keka o mo de jamnika I jo matum no eso ani but eni ma bi wo ho a eni kwase atwi ni gidi he the baby suspend wo mo man na the man me bufu ye ni say the thing was on national television enkora nyina hwe the whole world was watching ebasa now he is the headmaster and I said one year penny of parliament e kuna hu fi enti no going forward MPs ye ne to ba ne mamu adwuma na mo ye no but like afonyo be catch say baby ntomo for say so mu di ye supporters na chi na say chita for na chi parliament may not go on and the American will have no parents of mine parliament I say judiciary da be na hu say judges omokunta kwada judges are omudi ase omokunta kwada but they are so much respected
ye be try ho aba na Donald Trump ashas Ade Akye se wo America hwe ehu on Canada trade war or the 25% tariffs ato Canadian issue enra Manitoba governor and so are order another also order 25% tariff on all American products now almost order say
today I'm telling the people of Manitoba that beginning
Mama
U.S. products off of Liquor Mart shelves. Supplies to Liquor Marts, Liquor Mart Express, and of course to the wholesale operation that MBLL runs in this province. This means that we are going to be taking $80 million out of the U.S. economy. But if we bow down at this current moment, then what is the next edict that we will be told to respond to as Manitobans and Canadians? But now that this fight is here, a fight that we did not ask for, we have to stick up for ourselves. And so the first step that we're announcing, it has to do with pulling U.S. products off the shelves, and it means that we won't be carrying these products thereafter.
What's it? China, and so imposing
Trade banana.
Trade, yes. 10%. The first one no, on American products. You see a 4x4 taxi, Hilux, no mean type of cars na kwa American no. Almost your money bill. Machines are kese kwa American no almost your money bill. They are imposing. Mexico, Nancy omone Trump akotena said in komo oba no. Just say, you know, they have a new president. So she's beautiful, she's a nice woman. Just say, Akwako Kreti, and near maybe say, child trade war now, or Sassiano. Yet, the IBF say, bien, can you? I'm sure ya. You never buy a hosono. No, who's soon so.
My no monka sanchira no, Jipani bien.
William said, Ra, Elon Musk, position Diamano. Was suspending US aid. Big top speed.
Yes.
US aid. And Pennyphobia said the US aid should die.
Why have organization more free?
Matter no.
And
Other countries promising say they will help.
American for
because the US aid yama we are seeing
American for Donald Trump. Obama man for the military John Breaks now. Yeah. American state.
Yes, he's pushing people to BRICS.
Very
that's not BRICS. Nigeria called BRICS. Nigeria has joined BRICS.
Yes.
American powers now.
Elon Musk cried there. Now, only my dear. The three richest men in the world, Ejnanechi, Forbes, Jeff, Box as a wino, Bezos, and Mark Zuckerberg, and Elon Musk. Omo be saying Ejnanechi. If you ask to see Kenya from the war, it's a matter yes. So I quite to say, or person creating oligarchy, you creating or Russia no. Putin creating, no be no person creating. It's a matter the rich is going to be more and research just should say that those three after the inauguration of Trump, they are about 30 trillion richer.
No.
And was a more position. I'm Elon Musk supposed to. And what call say even Graufi said this time around. Civil servants in baby who he has some baby Jumabio.
Donald Trump,
what is the meaning of this?
Who Donald Trump?
That's how mine is of South Africa here.
Elon Musk. No one anymore.
Yes, in my bed, Bronia Wawodo.
On my own, Donald Trump.
Jeff Bezos.
Amazon guy.
Who is Kakeke?
On my head.
I call Pami Fanadam.
On my Donald Trump. I did be a warrior. And then the policy in your consistent with Elon Musk in you. Elon. What would say, when ye any other sex into my platform or Barney Behrman? I'm your boy in summer. Elon Musk some phone what you say, and some phone you say your body out worry. Now, what kind of sex are you going to give that?
A man here rough say it is so baby. I could tell you
what is that object? You said to us,
no, lemon,
why the object in a bar or more design? AI, no design. And also, what kind of sex are they going to give that thing?
But John, you do on the man. Let me welcome my sports team, the indefatigable sports team. Gentlemen, good morning.
Good morning, legend.
Now, what to say? Bibi Awoko. What's the latest? Asante. Hello. Bibacho, or your sports journalist. Bibacho, hello. Or your sports journalist.
The money kind of line. So basically,
Asante Abua. I don't pay. Would you Jimmy Mohammed? Now, what to say? What's the latest?
Latest happen is IGP Dr. George Akufo Parikushia, the late Pauline wife. And was shown is the Bia Emra, a Bayer Juman on Bay, and Omuja police in Ibaku, a chida on so share at Tonoma. Nabibia Fana fee those suspect I achieve woman and Ra, yet is honorable Ignatius by for where you're granting the bail. But the na almost moja kakra wana tari money adnere on the woman remand for 2 years.
Yes, I'm on for HSA Aquano, Chesa the Subain our done a deal, and yeah, one was say BBC because I ran tell back who case, Sikano the war boy no. Once I will be Sikaya, it was a Mujani P. But a war a Sikaya, a man internal bleeding, which means Onimnipakum.
Almost a queer of fast war. A police kind of take you be a word dear watcher.
That can just sound just a walk. Now, a noom. There will be also come back with the assault or 5. It's a hard thing. More than a sumpy. Let me internal bleeding.
Obasu will be Kuangas.
Obasu will be Kunim Kumso.
And there is one girl, our year tomorrow, Ignatius Bafwe, a radio station. Your friend China.
I only saw a far bubato on a sassy
black Chinese.
That's all bow. That's one the D can far buba, poly. No far buba to call. Oman the pole piano, and none of ma guys no cry in the bass. Why have they not apprehended that woman? No, because be a body D, yes, a friend of China. Will be other normal channel. A
black Chinese or yet more service radio.
This thing should never happen again in this.
But because what Stefan said, one with the Mapoli.
But more match.
Oh yeah.
I think it is time. As I take to Kone House of Folk, the glory days should come back. Kotoko, Eko Bobo, Siatremine. Get crow muremuno. They have that audacity and that youthful impetuousness. So much stop putting bars. I mean, Kumasi Sante Kotoko who ayira.
Oh my,
has who ayira.
So 2 teams.
But what I make sure
omunya big clubs anymore.
They are big clubs.
They are not.
The reason is, and never be able to talk, but they are still big clubs. They can rise up again because. Your boss is dinner. Teams na kano. Only has Messia. The presence of Has Crown was said the Huba also. But I could do purpose so say now Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now Kobobo Unsiatreman. Bass. A man said to me now could do say Mangre.
Oh my, me pacho.
As of folk come baby and apro.
Oh my, me pacho. My member kakra. Oh my, ano pem pacho mpesu obi etie me. The reason tia Ghana football egu eye Kotoko ni Has. Yeah, Keto Krekuye. Wouldn't him say, League no more bono. GF in the personal account. A chat. And they come YouTube and no more Facebook. I just can't go. But clubs no more bono. Or mono or moon chanko. Or more
so the added in a class no and take action. No more stopping.
Sanki Association League table and I say fixtures at all. Now Kotoko has so more and Kalig in Kabobono.
Damn you, Babanaway. And I also take his stars. Yeah. Nansa bi mukrana eba sika omunya no Europe for the bibu fuye no TV rights no go and find out who be say Aston Villa no ne ade no and then no mutumi top players TV rights omunya Ghana how ni ma de the issue is this say team uko South Africa na Orlando Pirates Kaizer Chiefs now Mamelodi Sundowns are the shame. These 3 clubs over top from South Africa team call ASEC Mimosa African Sports Uko a year Cote d'Ivoire Nigeria, and you banom any the old traditional teams. The moment they go down, even Liverpool, Manchester United, Man City are balancing. But Ostatis will occur for me. Once a Liverpool rising, Arsenal nominated. Who call Italy, Juve call from Pep, AC Milan call from Pep. No teams are internal. Hobabu say, Omo call from
Omantio, Oko Congo DR. Once a chrono super. Every time be Omo born next kenim. A teki TP Mezembe. And was no league na yabon kenim to one more. A hona government in the Bemu. Ama and your master summer says omu football no. Sika Bem.
Yes. Oh, the Metrono.
But this the
say Alali needs Amalek.
Say almost more
league. I did baby. Oh, yeah, local teams be on my. I was all FA Nukrano. Almost special dispensation.
Yeah.
Because it do maybe Ghana Blasters, Ghana Blasters. No, has no to Conebo. Over defense, you know. And has no to Conafa defense. Keeper to number 5. And has no to go. And BBI Basa. And GFA for the 2 bombs for him. Say, oh my, who can call myself some do cocoa.
Everything that GF and I relax because Kotokone has and sorry.
Yeah.
Say, come sorry, I can get to
this death of Pole should let them rise. Pole wo with Emma Kasa. Omodim Rebi Ba. Kotokone has in Kase. League no more. No more. Yes, somebody that one city.
Oh my, come
2 teams.
What is the meaning of this?
Now Kotokone has in penny for the move follow Keto Kriku.
Yeah, so those in charge, and I'm a normal
the fanfu respect and the poodles are becoming too much.
Because
the bootlickers and the poodles in Ghana football RFC and never see Obian to me.
Cat, out of clubs because we have Pebble relegation. What sorry, so we can't get us more.
Yeah, a quiet first way, best show.
Oh, that's all.
Yeah, do relegation.
And I walk up to the
best that you reference on Mafia.
Now, a football nearby.